Rush, what's up, man? How's it going?
It's going, man. This is a pretty sick little spot, dude.
Yeah? Is the bass like that? Just missed one. Shoot. That was it. Let me see if my mealworm's still on there. It is. Oh, it ate half of my mealworm. Oh, it's back. Yeah! Right in the snoot. Look at her. Here comes Rush. There we go, man. Beaut. Saw this spot in between these two trees of vegetation here, and I thought, you know, might be something hanging out over here. There he goes. Oh, yeah, big splash. Oh, it's so sick, man.
Nice.
Yeah, it was ripping the drag. That must have been the same one.
Come on, come on.
We were out here early ice with Rush VOORHIS Outdoors back there, killing it so far on this hidden pond that no one knows about, right, Rush?
Oh yeah, nobody.
Trying out some different holes here, drilling a lot of different holes. Definitely want to be careful anytime you're on this early ice. There has been spots where there's actually open water over there. So always be careful. Carry a spud bar, carry something with you to check. We're sticking to the spots that are like 3 to 4 inches of ice. But yeah, it is a warm day today. Go over here, you can see how warm it is.
Showing off the gun.
Sun's out, guns out over here with Rush VOORHIS Outdoors, the man, the myth, the legend.
What's going on, guys?
How's your day going so far?
It's going good. Too bad I have yet to catch a fish.
Hey man, you gave me the insider tips. Got me on my first largie through the ice. I'm really excited about that. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Trying to see if we can get another one. We'll see what happens, huh?
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Here you go.
Hey.
It's a little panfish.
Well, it's fun. Go get your first bass here.
The sun is just about to crest past the horizon. It's getting dark here in a second. Rush just left not too long ago. Such a cool little quick evening trip. Thanks to Rush for inviting me out to fish with him. If you haven't yet, check out his channel. He is absolutely killing it. As always, thank you for watching Fishing Montana. I'll see you on the next one.